Today we're working on the ground cables. This is Tinkering Tom on YouTube. We got the 98 Honda Accord with the corroded negative terminal cables and bad clamps and stuff, so we're replacing all that. These are some, I'm gonna try to just go to Home Depot and get something, because these are just ground cables. I don't need a wire harness exactly for just the ground side. If I have to do something on the positive side, we'll think about the harness transfer from a donor vehicle, but right now just need some good high gauge ground cables or something. I'll be right back with you. Pulled the ground cables off the Honda and it's just a solid white inside. Go to the negative terminal. If you can see, I'm trying to bring it into focus. That's really bad. And that's part of my connection issues, and the whole there's no copper left. That's good. These pinch clips, he said, and help me recrimp something. So we'll be right back. State your name for the camera, sir.
Eat a dick.
Alright, so placing the negative battery terminals, ground cables.
Are you doing a video?
Yeah, we're doing a video here. So I was like, state your name.
Hold on. I didn't do that.
Fuck that. Wait a minute.
I think I got it. Wiggle it around if it starts getting loose. I'm gonna cut it.
Hit that one. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Huh? Shine it on here. And where them dikes at? What's that thing I gave you? You hear me?
Hmm?
Is that thing I gave you a long time ago?
Which one?
That.
I bought that one. What fell? Some of the old pieces?
Yeah, a bolt. One of the bolts out here.
Let
me see.
Alright, this is what it looks like after the repair. Walmart. A little help from my buddy with the AC company stuff. Does electrical. Help snip some wires and stuff like that. I have to buy some tools so I can do that in the future that he had. Redid the ground. See the silver there. Silver there. I'm gonna try to jump it and see what happens. Tinkering Tom on YouTube. Please hit subscribe or like to the channel.